Components can be used in multiple processes or in other components. This video will show you how to use the Show Where Used filter in Component Explorer to see where a component is used. The Show Where Used filter that we will use in this video shows all the locations where the selected component is referenced. When used, the filter results are displayed in a tree hierarchy and include both the selected component and the parent components that directly reference it. Let's walk through this procedure. Click the drop-down next to the component. In this case, we will use the Flat File to Salesforce Contacts component. Select Show Where Used. The filter shows all the components and processes where the selected component is referenced. If your selected component does not show any other components in the results list, this means that the component is not used or referenced by any other component. To clear the usage results, select the blue filter icon and select Clear All Filters. Note that the Show Where Used filter shows you the dependent or independent reference between the given component and the parent component which uses it. This concludes our video on how to use the Show Where Used filter in Component Explorer to see where a component is used.